Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to know of new videos. And today I have for you another unboxing video from Bespoke Post. Let's get into it. This is our August box and the box name is Kukatil. And the first thing you see when you open the box is a little card of the product and a recipe in the back. As always, Bespoke makes sure to pack everything so well and careful. The next thing up would be a wood spoon, and this spoon is hand carved and very unique. It's long, making perfect for mixing cocktails, spooning out ice and fruit or whatever else you toss into a pitcher. Next thing up is the lemonade cocktail kit. This is packed with lemon, lime, orange, and mint. It tells you just to add vodka, refrigerate for a little bit, and you will have about 8 servings of hard lemonade. Now, if the product looks anything like the packaging, I'm already excited. This came packed so beautifully. I'm impressed. So for our August box, we decided to choose the Moroccan-made glassware, and it comes with a cone glass jug and 2 cone glasses in the color amber. Now, what is Bespoke Post? Bespoke Post is a website where you can become a member for free and pay $45 for a monthly box that you can choose from. The items inside the box are always well worth the $45, and you can choose to skip months if you like, and you can shop on their website even if you're not a member, but members do get exclusive prices. So in the first box, it looks like we have the glasses, and as you can see, nice and well packed. I hope it's not broken because it does look like it's fragile. So let's check it out. And they're perfect. Guys, this glass, I mean, the video doesn't show how beautiful this is, but it's absolutely stunning. And have I mentioned, I'm not sponsored by Bespoke Post whatsoever. This is my honest review and opinion. I will link my previous unboxing videos from Bespoke Post, their website, and products in the description box for you. Now, in the second box, we have the pitcher. And I'm just going to remove out of the box and remove all the plastic. But again, very nice packaged, and I hope it's not broken, but it doesn't look like it is. And it's perfect and absolutely stunning, like I said. This is beautifully made and hand blown in Morocco from recycled beer and wine bottles. The pitcher has 36 ounces of space inside, and the cups 2.8 ounces each. You can look inside. I'm not sure if you can see, but look, all the little bubbles. This is absolutely gorgeous. My review so far, the pitcher and glasses are absolutely stunning. The spoon, handmade, I love it. 5 out of 5 for me. Perfect and beautiful. And that is all for today, everyone. Please make sure to like the video, share with anyone you think will enjoy, and as always, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Ciao!